Good morning, dear students. Now we are going to learn one type of questions according to IELTS and TOEFL exam. The topic is dangers of passive smoking. According to the passage, we are going to learn multiple choice questions. Before doing multiple choice question, we should know what is multiple choice question itself. And multiple choice questions in the IELTS reading section assess your ability to identify specific information, understand main ideas, and infer the meaning. And I'm going to give some instructions to do such kind of question type in the TOEFL and IELTS exam. The first instruction is analyze the questions. First of all, you should carefully read the questions or incomplete sentence. Secondly, underline the highlighted keywords in the questions. These keywords will help you to locate the relevant part of the text. Instruction 2, understand the options. In this part, and you should read all the answer options thoroughly and carefully. And then look for difference in the options such as keywords, details, and tone. Instruction 3, skim and scan. First of all, you should use skim in order to find where the, for example, question is located. And after finding the location, you can use scan in order to find specific information, detailed information. Instruction 4, identify the correct answer. And read the relevant sections of the text carefully. Match the details in the text with options. Instruction 5, use correct to infer meaning. If the answer isn't obvious, consider the overall meaning of the paragraph. Pay attention to the cause-effect relationships, comparisons, and contrasting ideas. And lastly, and 6.1 is avoid overthinking. If you think over and over, more and more, it is easy you to, for example, go wrong. You cannot find true answer. That's why don't assume information that is not explicitly stated in the passage, or focus solely on what is written in the text. And now let's practice. Question 1. What has a recent research revealed about passive smoking? There are 4 options. A. It has long-term effect on the health of non-smokers. B. It can cause immediate harm to non-smokers' health. C. It increases smokers' risk of heart disease. And last one, D. It has no significant impact on non-smokers. And there is a passage, the question is taken from in the paragraph, and from this paragraph, and in this paragraph there is written the information about, for example, recent research has revealed has passive smoking even over a short period of time, such as 30 minutes, can temporarily damage a non-smoker's health. And here is answer is written. It means that over a short period of time, and there is, for example, can temporarily, there is a short period of time, such as 30 minutes, can temporarily damage a non-smoker's health. The answer is here B. Option B, there is written, it can cause immediate harm to a non-smoker's health. And let's practice second question. There is a question like, what does the passage suggest about people's awareness of smoking risks? And and we analyzed the question. Now we are going to find, for example, people's awareness of smoking risks. There is a paragraph like, people in most countries are now quite well informed about dangers of smoking, whether or not they choose to act on the information and stop smoking. They know, for example, that smoking can lead to respiratory diseases, including serious diseases such as lung cancer. Here, the true answer is C. People are well informed about the danger of active smoking. Because here is written, they know, for example, that smoking can lead to respiratory diseases. That is true answer. I think our lesson is over. I hope you will be do more exercises according to these instructions, and I hope you improve your reading passage, especially in the question of multiple choice.